Hi, my name is Cindy, and I am celebrating Black History Month with some unique DIYs that you will enjoy. Sit back and relax, hit that subscribe button, and watch me make some beautiful ethnic crafts. DIY number 1, Afrocentric necklace. The supplies needed include ethnic paper, last year's Michael's gift bag, some glass cabochons from Amazon, Droll Benzo Pennant Blanks, Amazon, waxed cotton necklace cord, Joann Fabrics, dimensional magic, Joann Fabrics, and some optional glitter from Dollar Tree. Last year, I made a picture frame from this same bag, and I had some left over. A subscriber reached out to me and asked me where I got the paper. Well, it is a gift bag. So I'm going to make a couple of Afrocentric items from the leftover paper bag. I got a pendant blank from Amazon and I traced around it. And then I cut out the circle and put it in the middle of the pendant blank. Now I sort of molded it after I put it inside the pendant, and then I took it out and continued cutting around the circle until it fit inside snugly. Once that was completed, I scattered a small amount of gold glitter, and then I put some dimensional magic on the inside. The glass cabochon was put on top of the pendant blank. Now, I had to realize that I shouldn't have put a lot of dimensional magic on the pendant because you don't need very much. If you do, the glitter may float away. I threaded the waxed cotton necklace cord through the pendant. Now see how brilliant it looks after it is dry. Now it takes a few days. And wow, how nice is that to dress a blouse or dress. DIY number 2, an Afrocentric cross. The supplies needed include a wooden cross, ethnic paper, jute cord, 2 different types of beads, chalk paint in the color black, pumpkin, old ivy, and cardinal crimson acrylic paint, and reptile adhesive. I used the wooden cross to trace a pattern and cut it with scissors. I used reptile adhesive to glue it to the cross and use an X-Acto knife, burning method, and sanding. Now, I don't think any one method was best, but the burning was okay, but it made the paper black in one area. Once that is done, I made sure the opening at the top was visible to thread the jute through. Then it was on to the beading. I wanted the beading to reflect the colors in the paper. And by the way, the paper is from a paper bag that I had a year or so ago. So I donned gloves and spread paint on 4 beads in the color pumpkin, 4 in the color old ivy, and 4 in the color black, and 4 in the color crimson. However, I only used 13 beads total. I put jute through the opening of the top of the cross and tied a knot. Then I began threading and alternating the color of the beads. At the end, I wrapped jute around my finger and threaded the jute from the beading through the loop and tied it to the extra jute from the beading. If you can't follow that, just see what I'm doing. I wrapped some just around the top of the fringe and cut the bottom evenly for a tassel. I think it looks awesome to place around your home or give it to someone as a gift. Let me know what you think. DIY number 3, mud cloth inspired eggs. The supplies needed include styrofoam eggs, 6 of them from Dollar Tree, black chalk paint, white chalk paint, white paint pen from Temu, a permanent black marker, and a paper mache bowl that I previously made, and some raffia. I put the styrofoam eggs on a barbecue skewer and I painted 3 of them with black chalk paint. Once they were dry, I took my white paint pen and began making dots and lines and arrows and other lines on the egg. And I started near the top and ended near the bottom. After that was finished, I painted 3 of the eggs white and I used a permanent black marker to make different markings other than what was on the black eggs. Now, it takes time to make the markings on each egg, so don't hurry the process. But don't worry, because if you make a little mistake, you can always get the white paint or the black paint, paint over it, and start over again. I put some raffia in a bowl that I had previously made and laid the eggs on top. Wow, what a statement piece that is. It is simple, beautiful, and can be placed on your coffee table for a unique look. Now, don't forget to explore my other DIY videos for a treasure trove of simply beautiful crafts that you can easily recreate. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Ready for more fun? Join me in What Would You Make collaboration featuring 2 fantastic hosts and a special guest host on the 4th Sunday of each month. Check out this collaboration for even more creative inspiration and unique ideas to whet your appetite for more unforgettable crafting. And subscribe to Z9 Designs for a front row seat to all things DIY and creative. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will never miss a crafting adventure. Let's build a community of creativity together. And remember, the joy of crafting is even better when shared. Tag me on social media with your creations using Z9 Crafts, and I might feature your masterpiece in my upcoming videos. Thanks for tuning in, and let's make this month as colorful and crafty as can be. And don't forget to hit subscribe and join the creative journey with Z9 Designs. See you later. Bye-bye.